So this D50, I'm just kind of surprised how it's progressively getting better every time. I don't know how. I guess me just putting a different bearing in there and just checking everything. And it just seems to run better. It sounds normal now. So here we go. So, I mean, I don't know. It's very interesting how it just slowly got back to normal. But yeah, there's still just a few little sounds that are kind of weird, but for the most part, it sounds fine. The only thing is it does get kind of hot after a little while, but I mean, what can you expect from something that's given you problems for a while? So, anyway, thanks for watching. I hope to find a metal fan for this eventually, and hopefully it won't have any more problems. So, thanks for watching.